Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video we'll learn how to download and install Android Studio with the latest SDK. Go to developer.android.com/studio and select this button, Download Android Studio Giraffe. Hit this button and click Download. It's around 1 GB. Wait for the download to finish. You can see the new features of Android Studio Giraffe. If you have different operating system than Windows, you can download the latest Android Studio for operating systems like Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment (IDE) for Android app development. It's developed by Google and is based on IntelliJ IDEA. Android Studio provides a comprehensive set of tools for designing and coding the Android applications. After you finish download, click Open and run the installer. Click Next, select Android Virtual Device, Next, Next, and Install. Click Next and start Android Studio. And this is our Android Studio Giraffe. We'll tell you that there is a missing SDK. No Android SDK found. But wait, what is SDK? SDK stands for Software Development Kit. In the context of Android app development, the Android SDK is a collection of software tools, libraries, and resources that developers use to build, test, and deploy Android applications. Click Next, and you can see we need to download Android SDK and Android API, the latest version. Click Next, Next, and here accept all. Click Finish and wait for Android Studio to download the SDK. And after you download and install SDK, Android Studio will open. And this is the welcome screen of Android Studio. So congratulations, we learned how to download and install Android Studio with the latest SDK.